If you need to build and manage fully functional online forms which allow visitors to your website to upload files and submit data, EasyUploader is the tool for you. EasyUploader enables you to visually build online forms that include text boxes, drop-down menus, checkboxes, radio buttons, uploadable fields, and even custom lists for the countries of the world and U.S. states. The forms you generate are easily customized. It is simple to select the form style, add a progress bar to indicate file uploading progress, add user authentication to allow only registered users, and much more. EasyUploader also includes a file manager to navigate, view, edit, search, and delete what your visitors have submitted. You also have the ability to manually back up the uploaded files or schedule automatic backups to be performed periodically. To see for yourself how truly easy it is to use EasyLoader, just take our guided tour where we will create an online job request form that applicants will use to submit basic personal data and upload their resumes or CVs. In this first section, I'll show you how easy it is to create a new form. We will select the field type, give a name to each field, enter a description and default value if we want one, and choose whether or not this field is a required field. I'll also show you how to use the settings options to restrict the types of files visitors may upload and limit the file sizes. To create our job application form, we'll start by logging into the control panel with our username and password. Select the Uploading Form Creator icon on the screen, then click on the Form Fields icon. The Forms field box will appear, and this is where we will design our form. Select the text box from the Field Type drop-down menu, then click Add New Field. Type in the name that you want for this first field. We'll call it First Name, and we'll say it is a required field, and click Save. We're going to add another text box field, so click Add New Field again and enter the name of your second field. We'll call it Last Name. This will also be a required field, and again click Save. Add a new field again, and we'll call the third field Email, which is also a required field. And click Save. Add new field. This fourth field will be Postcode. This is not a required field, so you can leave it No and click Save. Now we're going to add a drop-down menu field. Go to the Field Type menu and select World Countries. Click Add New Field and we'll name this one Countries. And we'll make it a required field and click Save. Go back to the Field Type menu and select U.S. States. Click Add New Field. Type in State for the field name. And for the field description, enter USA only. We won't make this a required field, so just click Save. Now in the Field Type menu, select Drop-Down Menu and click Add New Field. The field name will be Employment Type. In the Options field, you can name all the options you want to include in the Employment Type drop-down menu. We'll use part-time, full-time, and both. This is a required field. Click Save. Next, click File from the Field Type menu and click Add New Field. The field name will be CV, and the field description will be Upload your CV. Select Yes for required field and click Save. Finally, select the Radio button from the Field Type menu and add new field. The field name will be Newsletter Subscription. We will also enter the options of yes or no. This doesn't need to be a required field, so leave it as no and click Save. Now that we're finished with creating our form, click the Back button, then click on the Form Settings icon, and here we will add a thank you message. We'll just type it in as shown on the screen. We will also add a header saying, "Please fill the following form." And click Save. Click the Back button twice, then click up on the Uploaded Files icon. Then click the Settings icon. Here we will select the settings for our form. Using common extensions, we'll enter the types of files we want to allow to be uploaded, and also the maximum file size. Then click Submit. Click the Back button twice, and we're back to the main menu. And we're finished creating our form. And here's what our completed form looks like. You can see it has all the fields we created when we built the form. Let's fill it out as an applicant. We'll call him Steve Smith, and he wants to apply for a job through our website. Steve fills out the form by entering his name, email address, and postal code. And then from the drop-down list, he selects his country and his state and his employment type. Then he can browse to find his CV and upload it. He can select yes or no for your newsletter subscription, and then click Upload Files. And Steve's application and CV have been submitted. In this section, we'll see how to manage uploaded files. Once again, we need to log into the admin area to check the applicants and their CVs. In the admin area, we will view submissions, manage uploads, and search for uploaded files. Click on the Uploaded Files icon, then on the File Manager icon. When the results display, we see there are 2 applicants. When we click the View button by one of the applicants, it brings up the applicant details: the date the application was entered, the applicant's name, email address, postal code, country, state, employment type, and whether the applicant elected to receive a newsletter subscription. Then by clicking on the uploaded file name, we open the file and can review it without leaving the program. Click the Back button, and let's use the search options to find a specific applicant. We'll type in Steve, click Search, and we'll see it brings up Steve's information. Click the Back button again, and click on the Show All button, and it displays all of the applicants.